So friends, our today topic is labeling the scales. Okay, so you can see they have given us scales and we have to label them. Which scale are they? So the first one, you can see an example over here. Now we'll go straight away to our second question over there. Okay, so let's start. So the second one, you can see this is a bass clef and they given B as a flat. So that means this could be either our F major, right, or it could be relative minor of F major, that would be a D minor. Okay, so now to confirm which scale is it, first what I do, see there are a lot of ways to do it, but I'm telling you the ways I follow. One is, for I see the first tonic note, okay, because it tells you straight away that it is which scale is it, and then you can confirm it with some other examples. So if I see over here, this is F note and you finish also with the F note, so for me I'm closer to that this is an F major scale. Now to get surety of it, I will check if it is a harmonic, there's any accidental in it. There is no accidental, there's no degree which has been changed, or 7 degrees not changed with an accidental. So I'm for sure this is an F major scale going down. Okay, because this is a 7th degree which is not changed. Okay, so this is an major scale. Yes, now let's come to the next one. Next one, we have given a treble clef, and in treble clef over here they have no key signature. That means either it's C major or A minor. So first confirmation, we go with that, the tonic note I check and the last note. So tonic note is A, so that means I'm slightly closer to my confirmation of scale, and the last note is also A. Okay, now second thing, I will check if there is an accidental. Yes, there is an accidental, and that is on 7th note. That means it has been raised by a semitone. So that means in a minor scale we raise the 7th degree, that becomes a harmonic minor scale. So this is A harmonic minor scale going up. Okay, because we remember that we raise the 7th degree by a semitone in a harmonic minor scale. Okay, let's move on to the last one of this exercise, that is key signature is given. This is our bass clef and this is sharp, so either this is our G major or this is D minor, sorry, this is E minor. Okay, now how we'll check? Again, I'll check with the first tonic, that is E, and this is also E, so I'm closer to one step there. One, is there any 7th degree now which has been raised? No, so that means this is our and if I see the tonic triad, so now if there is no accidental also, now we'll check the tonic triads. So if I check the tonic for E, so E, F, G and A and B, they should be for this, and for G, A, B, C and D, they should be for G major. So confirm, we'll check if the note, this is E and this is D, this is our C and this is over here. So we do not have tonic triad, but this is in scale of our E minor. Yes, so we don't have any surety of that by the tonic triad also this is a G major or E minor, but the two clues we have is, one is the tonic note and the last note is the E note, and it does not have any 7th degree or 6th or 7th degree raised by a semitone, so we go with E natural. Okay, minor scale, you can write E minor scale as well. I'm just specifying it, so it will help you out. Going down. The 7th and 6th degrees are these, not these two. These two you have to check. Okay, so let's move on to the next question, next exercise. Now in this one they have asked about label these scales. Here there are no key signatures, so check the accidental. So now in this one, in the previous one they have given us the key signature, but here they don't give us key signature, they have given the accidental. So through the accidentals we have to recognize which scale is it. Okay, so now if you see, you can see this one as an example. We'll straight away go to the second one. So in the second one you can see the tonic note is over here. This is a bass clef, and this is your G, F, E and D. So they have given D note as a tonic and it finishing also on D. Right, now we see the accidentals. Accidentals are given D, E, F. They have given it on F is sharp and they give it on C sharp. So that means, and we know D D major, we have two. These two are the key signature note for D major scale. So this is easy to know that this is a D major scale going up. Okay, now next we see, next we have over here is this note, and this is, let's check, is the first note is our, this is our treble clef and this is our G, and the last note is also G note, and the accidental notes is in front of, this is our E flat and here is B flat. So this makes that this is a relative minor of B flat, that is G minor. So this is our G minor scale going down, because in G minor we have key signature as E, B flat and E flat. So this is our G minor scale going down. Okay, because there is no other accidental in this minor, which shows that this is because this is 7th degree, that is also not raised, so it's not a harmonic, and the 6th and 7th, that means they are not rate any other but a natural minor scale going down. Okay, so last one, in this one we have check the first tonic is our, this is our F, G, A, B. Okay, and then we have our last note again here is B only, and let's check the accidentals. The accidental is on here. If we go, this note is our C sharp, this is F sharp, and this is G, A sharp. Okay, so that means they have given us 3 accidental, but we know that in B minor scale, in B minor we have the key signature for B minor is F sharp and C sharp, right? But the same time they have raised the 7th degree of it. This is the 7th degree, that is A note. So that means when we raise the 7th degree by a semitone, it becomes a harmonic minor scale, right? So what we have to do over here, this is our B minor, that is we are sure because it's starting and finishing on B, it has the key signature accidental shown here, which is F and C, but the same time they have increased, they have raised their 7th degree, that is A note, by a semitone. Okay, it was supposed to be flat, supposed to be natural, but they raised it by half and become sharp. So this is our B harmonic minor scale going down. Okay, so here we finish our this exercise as well. So if you have any question related to Please let me know, and thank you so much for your great help, everyone. And please share the videos as much as you can, like the way you're doing it right now. And if you have any questions, any suggestions, please feel free to comment me on my comment section. That would be really appreciable. Okay, thank you. Now I'll see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you guys.